Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. IUPAC nomenclature of aromatic amines, anilines. The parent compound for an aromatic amine, ARNH2, is benzenamine, systematic name for aniline. Step 1. Identify the principal characteristic group. The NH2 amino group is the principal characteristic group and gets the lowest locant. It is assigned position 1 on the benzene ring. Step 2. Identify substituents. Bromine, Br, is at the para position relative to NH2, which is position 4. Step 3. Construct the name. The parent chain is benzenamine, benzene plus amine suffix. The bromo substituent at position 4 gives the prefix 4-bromo. Full name, 4-bromobenzenamine. Evaluating other options, B. 4-amino, 1-bromobenzene incorrectly treats Br as the principal group at position 1 and NH2 as a substituent prefix, which violates IUPAC priority rules since NH2 has higher seniority than halogens. C. 4-bromobenzenamide is incorrect because amide refers to COM2 or C is equal to O, NH2 functional group, not a primary amine. D. 1-bromobenzene carboxamide is incorrect for the same reason and also implies a carboxamide group. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.